Coughs are a common ailment, and most are treated with home remedies that have been in families for years and passed down from grandmothers. For most coughs, these remedies work fine. We know that coughs result from pores that are blocked by bad humors and are evidence of a struggle of nature to dislodge the enemy. Therefore, we do not want to eliminate coughs before they accomplish their intended purpose. Like the cures from grandmother's garden and those I learned from Maud's at the vicar's residence, there are many treatment options that I employ. My preference is to use licorice root with honey, or to use boiled turnips. Many patients have received relief from teaspoons of molasses and lemon, or a combination of sugar, brandy, and sweet oil. One of my favorites is a syrup made from the inside bark of a pine tree and sweetened with honey that is boiled down and taken warm. This combination is most soothing and the one I take myself. For very stubborn coughs, I provide paligoric and opium from poppy seeds when I can get it from a peddler.